Welcome. If your WordPress site has a cluttered theme library, this quick guide will show you exactly how to delete unused themes and keep your site running smoothly. Start by visiting the WordPress homepage and click the Login button in the upper right corner. Choose Continue with Google and select the account you use to manage your site. This method is fast, secure, and eliminates the need for extra passwords. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Appearance section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find all the tools for customizing your site, including theme management. Click on Themes to see every theme currently installed on your site. Now, WordPress doesn't offer a direct delete button for themes, but there's a simple workaround. To remove unused themes, just activate the theme you want to use. WordPress will automatically remove all other themes from your library. This keeps your site organized, secure, and optimized. After selecting your preferred theme, hit the Activate button. Your new theme will go live immediately, and all unused themes will be cleared from your library. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll maintain a cleaner, faster, and more manageable WordPress site. Keep only the themes you need and enjoy a streamlined website experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.